When that single, heavy droplet finally falls from a discolored ceiling tile, the damage is already well underway. A visible stain in your commercial space is rarely the start of the problem. In Los Angeles, flat roofs endure a punishing cycle. Months of intense daily UV radiation bake the surface, drying out sealants and stiffening membranes. Then, sudden, heavy seasonal rain violently tests those weakened materials. By the time moisture breaches the interior ceiling, the structural layers hidden above your head have already failed. To protect the building, you need a precise response protocol. We have to contain the active water, trace the moisture back to its true origin point, and deploy a material-specific repair. Approaching a leak as an active structural investigation keeps a small indoor drip from escalating into ruined inventory, electrical hazards, and displaced tenants. The moment water appears inside, the focus is entirely on damage control directly below the breach. First, clear the immediate drop zone. Relocate any vulnerable inventory, electronics, documents, and personnel away from the water. Place containers to catch the active dripping and lay down protection for the floors. Second, establish a hard boundary for your staff. Do not send untrained maintenance teams onto a wet, slippery roof during active rain, wind, or hazardous conditions. Instead, document the evidence from the inside. Note the exact time the water appeared, photograph the ceiling stains, log the specific interior location, and record the current weather conditions. Capturing these details gives the repair team the exact data they need to start tracing the leak, rather than guessing where to look when they arrive on site. To understand why that interior data matters, we have to look at the structural layers separating the ceiling from the sky. Commercial flat roofs are built to move water horizontally. They rely on slight slopes to direct rainfall toward drains and scuppers. This diagram illustrates a standard flat roof assembly. When a gap opens in the membrane, water slips in. It travels horizontally through the insulation and decking, moving away from the entry point. It drops into the building only when hitting a structural dead end. As the moisture travels, it saturates the insulation. That wet insulation acts like a sponge, holding water against the building structure and accelerating roof rot. Because of this lateral movement, assuming the exterior roof damage sits right above the interior ceiling stain often leads to patching perfectly good membrane while the real leak continues to grow. Finding the actual entry point requires investigating a sprawling, exposed rooftop environment. Most breaches start with simple physical damage. Dropped tools, careless foot traffic, or routine maintenance can easily puncture a protective membrane. On single-ply systems like TPO and PVC, the seams are a primary weak point. Daily cycles of heating and cooling cause these materials to expand and contract, which can eventually pull the heat-welded seams apart. The high traffic zones around rooftop HVAC units are equally vulnerable. The metal flashing that seals these equipment penetrations cracks and loosens over time, allowing water to slip behind the waterproofing. If leaves, dirt, or roofing granules clog the drains and scuppers, water backs up across the roof. This ponding water puts immense physical weight on the structure and actively degrades the materials. Isolating these specific failure points allows us to build a precise repair plan designed for that exact roofing material. When the damage is located, it is tempting to spread a cheap temporary patch over the hole and call it a day. However, store-bought sealants and caulks are generally incompatible with commercial roof surfaces. They cannot form a chemical bond with membranes that are wet, dirty, or aged by the sun. Professional repair demands a much stricter process. It involves thoroughly cleaning the surface, extracting trapped moisture, and applying compatible techniques like heat welding specific single-ply patches or localized restoration. Slapping a surface sealant over saturated insulation creates a false sense of security. The leak might stop during a light drizzle, but the trapped moisture guarantees a larger, more expensive failure during the next heavy storm. The final objective is to return the building to a fully stabilized, watertight condition. By securing the interior, keeping untrained staff off the roof, and logging the environmental data, you successfully contain the immediate threat. Now hand the controlled situation over to a specialized commercial team. They will evaluate your data, trace the leak to its origin, and determine if the building requires targeted repair, a comprehensive coating, or replacement planning. A fast, structured response keeps a leak manageable. Contact Flat Roofing Los Angeles to schedule a professional inspection and secure the right repair approach for your building.